Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching from. Okay, this is Mimi Ibe here again, and it's been a long while. Yeah, I made a video about analysis on thereabouts. So I'm actually back, and the last video it was about boom 500 index, right? So you can see I've already had my chart, my levels playing out, and let me just make a real swift analysis while we go. I'm going to delete all this line while we analyze it afresh. So this is, I want you to understand that market moves from level to level. Break this, we come to the next level. Break this, come to the next level, to the next level, all the way. There's a level here, but I purposely deleted it here. So you can see it now. We have broken this level and we are coming to this level for sure. First, before we come here, we are going to take off this level, the neckline. We take off this level, we are coming here. Break here, here, here. This boom. We don't need indicators to do this. It's very simple. So sorry about the noise in the background, but we are going to continue here. So if this is what you'll be looking out for, kindly like and subscribe. Turn your bell notification, because I'll be dropping awesome videos on how to analyze your charts without indicators. Very easy, right? So, and my phone is kind of messy right now. Sometimes it's minimize and come back, and once it comes back we have to do afresh and stuff like that. So, and if you're interested to learn forex, the last time I put it, people that messaged me, they're complaining that people wrongly message them and trying to scam them, in paying money to them. Okay, what is going to happen is that I'm going to put my number in the description box. If you want to learn forex, if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, my number will be in the description box, not in the comment section, in the description box. So kindly message me there on the WhatsApp, and I'm gonna start the class. It's gonna be, I'm not gonna charge you $100, I'm not gonna charge you $50. I just want it to cost you something so you can pay attention. So it's just gonna be 5K. Yeah, it's gonna be 5,000, and it's a one-time payment, and I'm going to show you, teach you step by step. There's a way I do all this, but I kind to pave with all these lines and wicks and all of that. So there's a way I read the chart. So if you want to learn from me, it's just going to cost you 5K, and you're good to go. So my number will be in the description box, not in the comment section. Yeah, so let's dive into this video. You can see this is a weekly time frame, and we are looking. Let's go to daily and let me show you something quick. You can see we have broken that region, and we might likely come to test. You see, I plot this level far back. Yeah, this level, these levels, you see this level, I plot it far back, and you can see the market hit this line, came and retraced. If I really want, I would have get this sniper entry at this point here, and you can see it broke the trend. And from here now, my likely, you see the level, little level I plot here, we might likely come to this point, and this is where, once this resistance is broken, it tends to act as support. So this level, it might actually come back, to test that point. It might actually come back to test here before hooping to the upside. So you don't need indicators to hold it. It's just for you to, and you don't need to start entering multiple positions, stacking in positions, and if the market tends to retrace a little, your account is gone. You just need to hold one or two positions all the way up, and whatever those little boys are doing, trading one candlestick like a daily now, they would have entered like 4 or 5 times in a day, 10 times using indicators, cross bar, and all of that. You would have done that very easily. Hold one position and you make more profit. You understand? Just imagine you hitting up from somewhere about here now for how many days, all the way up here, catching spikes. You don't need indicators. You'll be getting no less than $100 in this, I can assure you. From here to here, in just the lowest lot size, maybe two positions, it will take you all the way there. So you don't need indicators to do all of this. This is a support at this region, and this is a resistance. It just, if you want to learn how to do your technical analysis very proper, so do it to message me. It's 5K, and that's just it. I'm going to increase the price very time soon, because but as of now it's going to be 5K. So if you really want to join, you can message me. You can see the resistance at this point coming back there to be a resistance, and I say it's going to come here. So anywhere something about here, or at this support here, the market is going to come back there. So we'll be watching the market here. So I said I'm going to show you how to do this. So should I really delete all this now? It's going to be stressful for me. But all the same, you can see my levels pre-drawn, and okay, my levels are drawn. If you really want to know how to draw this level, you can just hit the message button there, hit the WhatsApp number. I'm going to teach you all this for free, because if you want to draw this level, there's a way I read the chart here. So you plot your levels and all of that. So I will basically tell you what we'll be looking at in this trade, right? I'll tell you what we are going to be looking at. This market was supposed to do a lower low, because this is a lower low, a lower high, come down to do a lower high that is no higher than the previous high. This is a lower low, a lower high that is no higher than the previous high. You can see the trend right here. So this market was supposed to come back down to do what? A lower low, but the market failed to do that. Instead, they created what we call a double bottom, and a double bottom, we are crashing all the way to make a full W. That is where I'm looking the market at. So I'll be hopping in this chart anytime from now. Once we take out this level here, you can see that's what is really holding the market. You can see the level at this point. Once we take out this level, we are coming in. But before I hold all the way to here, we have to take out this level. You can see it, this level, we are going to take out the level around here. But once I break even, I'm going to bring my stop loss to break even. Once I break my entry, I'm going to bring my stop loss to break even. And if we really hopefully take off this level, trust me for sure, this market is clean. There's nothing holding that is going to hold this market above here. We are coming all the way here. It may take few days, yeah. It may take few days before coming. Let's go to daily and view it in a view bigger way. So I wanted to delete my chart, but my analysis and how I plotted it, but I don't think that will be necessary for now. So if you really want to know how I do this, how I draw my trend line and all of that, my number will be there. So do it to message me, right? I know you will, so we'll get started from there. So I was saying I'm gonna show you something. Okay, you can see. Let me just show you how I'm gonna be looking at this chart to get a sniper entry. So I'm just gonna pull up my Fibonacci here, right? This swing high, swing low to swing high, Okay, pretty nicely. Yeah, so you can see 32%, 33% is actually the point I put on it, or 23%. So I said either we take out. Okay, let's go back to it, okay, so you can read better. So I don't know, can you really see this? Let me just put the stuff like this. I said either we take out this level, we are going to take out this level, sorry to say. We take out this level, we are going to come all the way up. Yeah. So let me show you when I'll be entering this market. Let's go to daily. So if you really want to join me in this trade, you can hop into the market at that time. So I put it market 33. This market might dip more than this, and I want to make you understand something about Fibonacci. Just take for instance a dot that is short. This was what the analysis I used while teaching my students. So this is how I use Fibonacci. Just imagine a dot that is short, and you only have to break through this door with your body, like you're gonna hit the door hard to break through. So now let's take for instance, this is the door. This is the door, and before you can break this door, you just take for instance, you take one step backward like this, one step, and try to break. Do you understand? So trying to break through, this is one step. So the step you take backward, the more force you are going to use to break through. Do you understand? Just taking one step to break the door won't be the same force you are going to use once you take like 3-4 steps, or maybe 5 steps backward. You understand? So taking one step backward, okay, just for instance, you take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps back, the force you are going to use to push to the upside won't be the same when you take one step backward. So the deeper it goes, the more momentum is going to use to pump up. So if this market dip more than 33 coming down here, trust me, it's going to break all through. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Alright, sir. So sorry about the noise. So I'm gonna show you a vividly example how that is really done. Yeah. So okay, yeah. So let's see with this. Let me show you. Let me show you this particular one. Okay, I want to pull out the one, but say I'm gonna delete that. So you can see it. You can see the market at 50. So the market went deeper. Not only the market went more deeper, the market consolidates for days at this point. Just check, for instance, at this consolidation, many people would have blown their accounts really well. But you on a higher time frame, you've seen what the market is doing. That at the break of this consolidating, we are going up. Okay, the market gets to this point, I vividly see some consolidation. Just know there is a change of reversal. The market wants to do a retracement. See for here, there's a consolidation happening here. So all you have to do is to be patient and know the direction. After this consolidation, now this market will drop down a bit, coming down. So coming down will determine the force is going to use to break through. If you stop at 23, it might likely come to do a double top at that point and start coming back down to do a full M. Understand? But if it goes below 23, maybe 38, coming down to 50, to 61, that is a great force. At 61, if the market consolidates at 61 region, my brother, you can open 3 lot size. I'm the one telling you this. Hey, don't try that. I'm just telling you out of experience. So the more it comes down, the more power. Okay, this market consolidates to 50 and generates momentum. You can see the consolidation and what, boom, break the door to the upside. So now this market is consolidating. Now it's going to come down to, maybe it's here close to the door trying to push, doing some pushing, saying no, this market is not serious. So he has to take some step back and boom, breaks through. You understand? So another one will come and happen here and to the upside. So yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I train. So you just need patience, and this is boom 500. Other people like boom is traded with indicators and all of that. So but you can actually trade it without indicators. So this is my experience with the market, and I feel with this my little experience, I'm gonna put it through, and with this my experience and my strategy like I have developed by the grace of God, you can add it to your own. I even bring out more strategy out of it. My strategy is not the best. If you go on YouTube, you're going to see thousands and thousands of strategies, and all of them actually works. You just have to find the one that suits you right. Anyone that suits you right, you can go with it. If my own does suit you right, you can add it to whatever strategy you want, and it will be good. The main thing is the ones that make you money. You understand? So any strategy like my own, I'm a swing trader. I like holding and doing other things. You understand? Like for instance, now I like holding and trying going or doing other things, learning my programming, coding, web development, because I'm a cybersecurity student. You understand? I'm a cybersecurity student, so I won't be focused on my charts always. So I'm learning cybersecurity, not online. I'm a student in cybersecurity, so I'm actually taking other courses like data analysis, web development, ethical hacking, and all of that. So I have other things to do online. So this is just reading like stock market where you just buy and hopefully for a long run. You understand? So this is how I like to trade. Once it breaks even, I bring my stop loss. Once the market goes in my favor, I bring my stop loss to break even, and I'm done with the market. I don't set take profits. The market tells me when to do that. So I check my charts rarely, multiple times a day. You understand? Then I'm done with that. You understand? So sorry about the noise. So if this is what you really do, maybe my next chat will be about crash. In the crash, I'm going to analyze it. All this, I don't think I have done my analysis on crash, so I'm going to start from scratch and analyze everything with you. So if that's what you'll be looking for, kindly like and subscribe, turn your bell notification, and hopefully you're going to meet me there live on crash. So that's just it. Thank you.